Hello DevOps buddies. In this video, we are going to learn when we are working with Kubernetes, usually we'll get a request to upgrade our Kubernetes cluster. So example, right now we are in some X version and we want to upgrade it to Y version. So before upgrading, you want to just to do a validations like whether after your upgrade, your cluster will have any duplicated APIs or any APIs or any changes will happen to your existing cluster after the upgrade. So to do the pre-check process or else before upgrade process, there is a tool called KubePug. Some used to call as QPG, some used to call as KubePug or KubePug. So this KubePug tool, this is a simple binary. This helps you to check whether any deprecated APIs or any validations or pre-checks you need to do before going to upgrade. So this is the official GitHub web page for their tool. And in releases, we can download the binary based on your distribution. It's Windows or Linux or Mac, whatever it may be, and what it will do. So once you install, you can either go with Crew plugin manager or you can even with Helm also you can install. So once you are done with this binary setup, simply you need to type from which version or else which version you want to move. Example, right now in this demo, I'm using 1.29 version and planning to upgrade it to 1.30.1. So I can use version 1.30.1. So it will validate our existing cluster APIs with the desired state APIs, and it will print all the deprecated, deleted, and changes, whatever it may be, like this. It will print all this. Then we can easily plan for the fix or else we are get ready with what changes it's going to be happen after the upgrade like that. So let's start downloading this binary QBPug. So just click on this releases pages, the releases pages, and in this release pages, I'm just installing the latest version of Linux. So I'm just going with one of the Linux thing. So I'm just downloading this binary to local. So once it is downloaded, just extract it. So once it is extracted, just type kubectl. Instead of kubectl, we can directly use kubepug. And this version, this is the latest version as of today in Kubernetes. I just want to use this version. So we have command from their side like hyphen hyphen KDS version equal to exact which version we want. Better I'll type 1.30.1. So before executing this thing, I'm just commenting out this. I just want to see my cluster version. How I will check using kubectl hyphen hyphen version. Kubectl version. You see my server version is of 1.29, and one more option we have is kubectl get nodes. So using kubectl get nodes also we can get the version. So now I'm validating my 1.29 with 1.30.1. So what changes are going to happen with the existing cluster like that? So if you have right now in this cluster, we don't have any customized applications, but in your case, if you have your deployments, replica set, pods, stateful set, cron jobs, services, and ingress, whatever it may be, at that time, if you execute this thing, you will get the exact results like what are the APIs got deprecated and what changes you need to take care after the cluster upgrade like that. So in my case, there are no deprecated or deleted APIs found. But in your case, if you have this ingress, all these custom resource definition you deployed, right? At that time, this will be more helpful for you. Like it will print you the information like this. this got duplicated and you need this is in this namespace, you need to change all these things. You will get prior to your cluster upgrade. So this tool, it will be helpful for the cluster administrators before they are planning for the Kubernetes cluster upgrade. So this will be helpful, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like our videos and share our videos. Support us. Thank you all. Bye.